Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tailgate Fishing. Today we're here at Rio Beach. Do some solo fishing today. Just got me and myself out here. So right now I'm gonna try to drone on some baits. Hopefully I don't get in trouble, but we'll see right now. So right now I'm gonna switch you guys up to here in my head, and from there on we'll see what happens. Alright guys, just found the spot. I had to get all the way towards the end of the pier because there was way too many people. So we'll see what there is out here right now. I'll switch you guys up to my head. I didn't record taking out the drone because it was so freaking sketchy with all this wind. I thought I was gonna lose the drone, but I made one successful cast. It's out there. The only thing is, I think I might have forgot to put out the prongs on my Sputnik, so it's just a weight. But I'm hoping I did. I don't remember. Alright guys, I think I may have a stingray, a ray, something. All that for fucking seaweed. Little ass bat ray with all that seaweed. Heavy ass shit with the fucking seaweed. It's so slimy. I guess I could use them for radar. Hey guys, just the battery. All that weight for nothing. Then it goes. Take number 2. All this shit was a heavy shit. This is what had me struggling, guys. I swear I'm not that weak. Maybe I'm a little weak, but follow the fucking rays weigh so much more. I don't know how. The aerodynamics are off. If that makes any sense. Alright guys. The fucking bird ate my freaking hook. Fucking dumbass bird, man. Oh, you can come up here? Hey, Bixby, call.
Who do you want to call?
I don't know. If you don't mind, can you hold this? Sorry about that. Where's the cutters? No, stop.
It won't pull out?
No, it's gonna rip its yeah. I don't know what that is. So that's his tongue or something. Just try to break the hook. I'll hold him. You're gonna have to do it kind of hard. I'm gonna try the other side maybe. This side, no, it won't cut either, huh? Thank you so much.
Grab it from the back.
Oh my god, thank you so much, man. Thank you. I didn't know what to do. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. No, I left it right here and the bird got the bait and it got stuck. Yeah, thank you very much, man. I know it's gonna sound very windy, but we just finished fishing here at Cabrillo. beach, and hopefully catch something there. I think one of my buddies is gonna meet me up there. So then I guess I'm just gonna get home, get a charger, and then from there I'm gonna head out. So next thing you guys should see is either me at my house or me at Huntington Beach. There's a lot of wind. Alright, hold on, let me fix myself.
Get your ass up.
Wait, oh yeah, yeah, I think that helps. I'm not through there, it's the wind. Move your rod to the right, my rod's to the right. That's your left, to your right.
It's on the right?
Yeah. Spool's open? Where now? Oh my god, thank god, let's go.
I suck of a bird chicken.
It tried earlier.
Have you had that happen?
No, well earlier I was trying to take a mackerel off the line. But it didn't hit it.
Are you successful doing it this way? Or it's just fun?
It's like, it's successful, but we lost like 3 drones already.
Oh no!
Yeah. It's worth it though.
How do you lose it?
Either too much weight on the drone, the controller dies and it just in the water. 175? 250? Look. 250? 250? Oh, that did not feel good.
Yep. We
It
lost
dropped?
it.
What do you mean we lost it?
We lost the drone.
Oh, no, the drone's fine.
Are you tripping?
What fell then?
The bait.
No, the big ass splash.
Why would you scare me like that? Oh my goodness.
That was a big splash.
Oh yeah, it was a bait.
Should I go shorter?
Man, the tier was already coming down. I had to bring it back up.
I saw the drone.
Right there. I seen a big ass splash.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a drone.
Oh, I see it.
I still don't see it.
Yeah, there it is.
Or is it here?
Or am I going the wrong?
Yeah, you're good.
Is that a bird or?
No, it just doesn't.
I don't see the drone yet.
It's right there.
I'm blind. Oh, I see it. Okay. David, all his braid is gone. You. Damn. Actually, it's Coast Guard.
Yeah, it's Coast Guard. U.S. Coast Guard.
How do you even zoom in that far?
They're just staring at. No, they're not. Oh look, they're fishing. No, I'm just kidding.
Try your phone.
Very nice. Don't tighten your drag too much. Woo! The drag pull. Where's my phone? Where's my phone at? Where'd I leave my phone at? Oh, it's in the. Where's the joysticks? Brian, where's the controller? Brian. Brian, where's the controller? I'm looking for my phone. My phone. It's in the controller.
Oh, go, baby, run!
No, don't run. Let me get this. Let's fucking go.
Oh, shit, dude.
Oh! Oh, you're about to get spooned.
I know.
Oh!
Oh, no! No! Fuck! Dude, that was a big ass shark, dude. Holy fuck! Yeah.
How long was this out there for?
Dude, it lit like, what, 5 minutes? Yo, reload, let's do it.
Dude, that sucks. That hurts.
Dude, that was huge.
No way. That would have been the biggest
jumping.
fish.
Dude, it fucking jumped. That's what I turned
What? It was
around
right
and
here?
I saw you guys over there. I heard it hit, and I was like, and that's when it was like, oh.
Dude, that drag pull was beautiful.
That was huge, dude.
Alright guys, as you guys just seen, he got striked really bad. He lost the fish, sadly. But right now he's about to find out if he lost his leader. I hope he didn't, that way he doesn't have to rig up again, but we're gonna see right now. Though that hurts so bad.
Oh, that was intense.
Damn, that sucked, dude. Oh my god, that drag pull. Oh,
That drag pull was fucking gnarly.
it was freaking beautiful. That's the drag pull you've been waiting for. The drag pull you've been waiting for. That's what was out there. Hey, go to the corner. Go to the corner. Go over. Is it over or under? Over or under? Over. Under. It was under. Go back.
Go over.
Over the rod?
Oh, he's off.
No.
Is that the same thing I
Fuck,
That was him. Oh my god.
Damn.
Watch out.
You gotta go this way.
Oh my god.
Under? First under and then over. And then back towards you. Dude. Alright guys, as I usually do, I forgot to film my outro, but thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like, subscribe, and thank you guys.